step-by-step DC short shunt compound motor lab experiment. The equipment used for DC short shunt compound motor experiment are compound DC motor, ammeter, voltmeter, tachometer, and jumper wires. Figure 5A is the schematic circuit for the DC short shunt compound motor. Connections will be made at point IB1, IB2, A1, A2, E1, E2. Connect a cable from ground for DC power supply to ground for DC motor. Then connect positive DC power supply to IB1. Connect IB2 to A1. Connect point A1 to point E1. Connect point E2 to point A2. Connect from point A2 to negative point of DC power supply. Turn on DC power supply. Voltage is set to 15 volts. Motor will start to rotate. Observe the motor's rotation. Measure shunt voltage, series voltage, back EMF voltage, series current, full load current, and shunt current. To measure the input voltage, connect voltmeter in parallel to DC power supply. Connect voltmeter to point IB1 and IB2 in parallel to measure the series voltage. Connect voltmeter to point E1 and E2 in parallel to measure shunt voltage. Connect voltmeter to the DC tachometer to point A1 and A2 in parallel to measure back EMF voltage. To measure current, an ammeter will be connected in series to the circuit. Firstly, place only one wire on each common current meter to be used. To measure full load current, open the connection from the positive DC power supply and place on the positive ammeter in the appropriate range. The wire on the common ammeter will be connected to the positive supply. To measure the series current, open the connection at point IB1 and place the positive ammeter at the appropriate range. Then, the wire on the common ammeter should be placed at IB1. To measure shunt current, open the connection at point E1 and place on the positive ammeter at the appropriate range. Then, the wire on the common ammeter should be placed at E1. Input voltage of 15 volts, the motor has rotated. The readings for input voltage is 15 volts. Full load current is 1.4 amp. Shunt voltage is 12 volts. Shunt current is 0.03 amp. Series voltage is 3.8 volts. Series current is 1.4 amp. And back EMF is 3.2 volts. The motor rotates at a speed of 394 RPM. For a 25-volt input, the motor speed is increased. Reading for input voltage is 25 volts. Full load current is 0.8 amp. Shunt voltage is 23.5 volt. Shunt current is at 0.06. Series current is 0.7 amp. And back EMF is 17 volts. The motor rotates at 865 RPM.